list is the NuWave Brio. Preparing a healthy meal with the NuWave Brio Air Fryer is a breeze because it requires little to no cooking effort on your part. Here's what we mean. As an air fryer, it grills, roasts, bakes, sears, dehydrates, toasts, warms, preheats, and reheats, giving you many cooking options in a single appliance. Every food it cooks comes out crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and properly cooked on every side because it evenly distributes superheated air on all sides. We like that you can adjust the preset cooking functions using the intuitive digital controls, which are very responsive and easy to operate. Whatever temperature settings you choose are shown on the easy-to-read digital display under any lighting condition. Nevertheless, you can fine-tune the temperature settings according to your cooking needs, from 50 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5-degree increments. Through the digital display, you can monitor the temperature during the cooking process and constantly adjust it to ensure your food gets the right temperature it needs to cook properly. Another thing we liked is the perforated non-stuck air circulation riser, which promotes air circulation in this product while allowing the excess fat to drip away from your food. This way, the excess grease that comes out of your food can be disposed of easily. Plus, you can throw the air circulation riser into your dishwasher for easy cleanup. If you like to cook food in layers to minimize cooking time, it has a stainless steel reversible rack for this purpose, which is also dishwasher friendly. Whenever you open the air fryer basket when cooking, it automatically stops the cooking process, and cooking resumes when closed. Whether you want to prepare breakfast, appetizer, lunch, or dinner, the included cookbook is well detailed with various chef-inspired recipes. Its pros are, the memory slots allow you to save and recall your favorite recipes, it has a 7.25 quart capacity, and it has a reversible rack for multi-layer cooking. However, aggressive cleaning can cause the non-stick coating on the basket to peel off. The NuWave Brio is ideal for those who want a versatile air fryer with a large capacity that they can use to make meals with less effort after getting home from work. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.